Okay, it's January 20th, 2025, and this video is showing progress with my attempt to clone the Halcyon. So here's my clone.
Welcome to Halcyon. Do you want to play Sayer's Quest?
It's turned on, and this is the state it's in when it's first booting. So got the Sayer's Quest cartridge inserted, and the clone's powered on. I've got a microphone plugged in, keyboard plugged in, power obviously.
Welcome to Halcyon. Do you want to play Sayer's Quest?
So here's Dexter with my adapter that I made for Halcyon right here. Sorry, there's like wires everywhere. Okay, so here's the keyboard.
Yes. If I have your voice grid, please say your name or else press the
Okay, so I've put in a voice print before, and
Try again.
I'm using this microphone. It's a
Lively now.
Shure SM58, so it's pretty high end, but I was just trying to.
Lively now.
Anyway, I'm gonna see if it can remember my name. Matt.
Lively now.
Matt.
Nice to have you here again, Matt. Last time you played, you lost all your lives, so I will start you over. Please insert the disc for part 1 of Sayer's Quest.
That's so cool. Okay, so right now to insert a disc, I just have a button on here I'm going to press. So, all right.
Sayer's Quest, a Halcyon fantasy adventure.
1, 1.
1. Sayer, choose an exit quickly, or fail this test of magic.
3.
3. You are my last hope to find the relics of Code and renew the magic that grows old as I do. But until you hold the relics, be cautious in your use of magic. It can turn against you. I understand, Bruce. I can only give you this pouch, which holds my last 3 spells. A spell of understanding, of seeing, and a spell of release. Once you use these spells, they are forever gone. Now choose where in the kingdom of Wygard you wish to begin. The village of Glendale, where once you lived, the haunted waterfalls, or the Eldritch Forest.
3.
3.
You stand healed of what ails, travel far, overlook no source of help.
4.
4.
Both have found the crystal, a dark enchantment holds it best, so you must use your magic to release this spell of rest.
Word a behold.
1.
1.
You are the Dryads? Yes, and we know of your quest. Lord was our friend, and we offer you the help of our wood elf staff.
Staff.
Take this staff give it to the fairies.
1,
1,
1,
1. I hear that kind of singing in the phone. The fairies must be here.
3,
3. Oh, fellow. Who are you? Nigel the Huntsman. I know much of these woods. For example, I know that the Crystal of Lothar will enable you to overcome the familiars. Come back sometime and I'll share a story with you.
3,
3.
The marsh wastes. What a dreary place. You can hardly see where to step.
cold fire.
Take care, my apprentice. Even the magic of the pouch has a limit. The relics. The relics are important.
I'll remember, Truce.
3, 3,
3.
cold fire. 3,
3.
Get the crystal. You can go. Touch it. Get the crystal. Get it.
release.
The wizard Lothar infused us with the last of his powers. Nigel the huntsman knows best how to use these powers in my god.
4,
Try again. Let
4,
word
4,
say again.
4,
Speak consistently. Word
4.
for
There we go.
I feel weak. Don't return here when you are wounded. Choose the item you want to drop when.
So apparently at this point you have to drop pretty much your whole inventory to keep playing, and I think I'd rather just lose a life. Anyway,
Lively now.
that's a demo of how far I've got, so this is pretty exciting progress.